the last unboxing of today we're just two. Okay, so this is from HandmadeGoldDesign. I think I reached out to them, but it was a long time, and I think through somebody I followed, like a friend, and they received something, and then I was like, oh, I kind of want that. So I probably contacted the brand, was like, hey, do you have any gifted opportunities? It was probably that. I can't remember, but because I'm so excited, I can't. Okay, so let's see if it is what I think it is. So, okay, it comes out like this. I think it is jewelry. I love like jewelry. Love my earrings, my necklace. Look at it. It looks like a Christmas present. It's so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I don't want to rip it open, but I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to ruin the plastic. Okay, let me remove this for now. Oh no, it's so cute. I don't want to rip it. So let's see. Ooh, the packaging looks cute. So it's a plain box, but I like the logo, the packaging. Okay, so yes, it is. I did design this. I custom designed this. So I mean, they already had this. I just changed the letter. Okay, I was like, it's a teddy bear. Like, how cute. Like, right. It's so cute. Like, and it's a T for teddy, like teddy bear, like teddy, like it just matched like T. It kind of looks like a bow or like a shirt. It doesn't really look like a letter now that I'm thinking. Wow, it doesn't look like a letter. Whoa, I kind of want to change the letter now, but it's too late. Like, that's how I am. Like, I'm like, now that I look at it, I wanted a different letter. I know, I'm annoying, but this is a gold bear necklace. They had silver, I think rose gold, but I chose gold, so it kind of looks like this teddy bear. It was so cute, but this one's super tiny. But yeah, I just love the teddy bear. I was like, I need it. They had a bunch of other designs. You don't have to custom design, but I was like, can I please? And she was like, yeah, sure. So she has different cute other designs. I think she also has like probably other types of jewelry, not just necklaces. But like, come on, like, right? It's so cute. Like, I can't. I love it. It's so cute. It is good quality. I think she has an Etsy shop. I think, yeah. So it's obviously a small Instagram brand. It's not a big brand. So this kind of in between price, or a little bit expensive, some are affordable. I can't remember, but I'll put the price here of how much this costs. But yeah, it's so cute, right? I can't. And it's not too big, but it's not too small. So it's a good medium size, maybe a little bit big, because I'm used to wearing the small dainty necklaces, but it's pretty nice. Like, wow, like this looks, I don't know if it's real jewelry or fake. I don't know, I didn't ask. But even though it might be fake, I don't know, it looks nice. The quality doesn't stay so bad. It's so cute. Wow, it's so cute. Yay. So, yay, thank you so much. What's her business name? HandmadeGoldDesign, Lily Pat. Oh no, that's the address. I'll put her information on the Instagram below, But yeah, her stuff are cute. So yeah, check her page out, her website. And no, this is not paid. This is gifted. I was lucky to be, accepted, when it comes to this, because they were so patient with me, because I kept changing. Like, it was something else that I chose. I was like, never mind, can I just have this? Can I just change? Like, I'm annoying. Like, poor man that's gonna be with me, because girl, right? But this is just, wow. It's so cute. I can't stop staring at it. It's just so cute. I don't even want to wear it. I just want to look at it like this. I mean, that's another reason why I bought this one, because I was like, they're taking like a month or so. I was like, what if they're not gonna send it? So that's why I got this one instead. This I did purchase at Shamise for $1. I was like, it's not like this, but it's so cute. I was like, I just wanted a teddy bear, right? So I was like, I need it. So yeah, I was like, but thank God they sent it. Yeah. But yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. Maybe once I do my makeup look, and then I'll put a clip of me wearing it, like, or maybe right now. I don't know. Let me see. Let me take pictures first and then show you how it looks. Okay, so ta-da. It's a pretty gold. It's not like this gold. It's like this gold, like yellow, brassy. Like, it's more like a light gold. You see the difference of gold? They're still nice, but this one looks like a better, higher quality, right? Yeah. Ooh, look. So pretty. Down, keep burping. Okay. So it's like a traditional clasp necklace, kinda. So it's tiny though. Let me try and put it on right now. It's so cute. Let me make sure. It said which side. Wait, is it this one? I think like that. It's so pretty. You can't. This is so exciting. Wow. I didn't shave my armpits today, so let's ignore that. Yee. Wow, it's so cute. It's a perfect size. Now that I'm looking at it, it is like that. It looked bigger whenever I was looking at it like that, but no, trust me, it's a good size. It's visible, but it's not like so tiny that you can't see what it says or what it is. Like, it's a perfect size. It's not huge. I'm a petite little lady. I'm like, what, 115 pounds. So it looks good on me. It's not too big on me, so I like it. It's like, wow, it's so pretty. I love it. I'm not so much of a jewelry person. Like, I want the expensive things, just heartfelt, like cute ones, or like very, like, this is so cute, like, or like interesting, weird ones. Like, I don't know, it's just special. It's so cute. I can't, like, and I always lose earrings, rings, and necklaces. They don't get lost that easily, so that's why right now I think I prefer wearing necklaces, because they're easy to find, like if it's lost somewhere, So, but yeah, it's special, like, and it's always gonna be with you, literally, because you have it on in your neck, like, I can't. It's so cute. So yay. I love it. I can't. So yes, you can order her custom designs or the ones that she already has made. So yeah, check her out. And yay, thank you so much for sending me this. I'm gonna wear it every day, or probably not, because I don't want to ruin it. Like, I don't know if it's good quality. Like, maybe this one costs $1. Like, this one, if I shower with it, it's fine, but this one's pretty much expensive compared to that. Like, this one looks better for better occasions, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so cute. Like, but yeah, okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Yeah. so pretty. I recommend her jewelry. It feels nice and it looks nice. So yeah, trust her. If you custom design something, she's gonna do what you ask, literally. Okay, so, and she's gonna be patient. She's not gonna be annoyed, like, you know. So she's gonna actually work with you and, you know, talk to you and make sure everything's correct. Like, she was like, you sure? Like, yeah. So this good customer service. All right, so that's pretty much it. Okay, bye. Thanks so much.